Oh my god, this is risky, but okay. He's gonna get so offended when he thinks this.
Am I
Durex pen. No, Durex pen. No, you're like the Salman Bhai of the industry.
मेरे माथे पे चूत
Tan, 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 tan.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. On this channel, we have tried a lot of shit. We have done video essays, we have done reactions, we have done vox pops, but nothing has worked. So today,
Today, 800 views later. 800 views later.
we have decided to only do Bakchodi. So today we'll have pictures of people stuck to our forehead, and we have to guess who it is. We'll go through 3 rounds, and we'll guess whoever.
And explain more rules.
That is it.
No, so I'll have somebody's face on my head.
Yes.
And I will keep asking you guys questions. And then if I guess it, okay, I win. And what do I get if I win?
Nothing.
Okay.
pride?
You get.
What do
happiness.
Dude. One second. What are you guys doing?
Oh my god.
Especially some people. Oh my god, this is risky, but okay. It's very risky territory.
Okay, who wants to start?
Okay, I'll start.
Okay.
Am I a female?
No.
No.
Am I an entrepreneur?
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh, interesting. Oh. Do I have a consumer-facing product?
Yes. Of course, yes.
Yes. Am I below the age of 30?
No.
No.
Above 40?
No.
Maybe, I don't know.
No.
I'm not
Yesterday
sure.
I found out.
Oh, do I have a podcast?
Yes.
Am I Nikhil Kamath?
That's right.
Dude, come on. Come
What
on.
the fuck? This is so
एक
easy.
भाई मैं उठता भी उसके नाम से हूँ और सोता भी उसके नाम से हूँ।
Change the topic.
बेटा इसमें बहुत मजा आएगा।
Okay. Am I a male?
Yes.
Am I leader of a country?
Could be, but okay.
No. Technically.
No.
Am I Gautam Adani?
No.
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 Oh, good guess.
Am I Mukesh Ambani?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Am I a billionaire?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe. Yeah. Of course.
yeah,
Sorry.
Am I part of the Ambani family?
Yes.
Yes.
Anand Ambani?
Yes. This typecast कर दिया यार.
Am I a male?
Yeah. No.
No.
What the fuck was that? Okay.
Maybe.
Hey.
Hey,
Bro.
Am I in the entertainment space?
Yes.
Yes. Very entertaining.
Am I in movies?
You have
Yes.
But I'm not known for movies.
No.
No.
been. I remember you from movies.
No. Yeah.
Am I a musician?
You
No.
could sing.
Was I part of a controversy? Like a big
Yes.
controversy?
A big
Always.
one.
Do I have a huge following on Instagram?
Yes.
Am I Rakhi Sawant?
That's
What
absolutely.
the-
Am I
Yes.
actually Rakhi Sawant?
Yes.
Are you
Wow.
serious?
Okay. Am I a guy?
No.
No.
Oh, woman. Okay. Entertainment.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Actress.
Yes.
Yes.
Bollywood.
Yes.
Old actress.
Yes.
Yes.
50 plus.
Yes.
Yeah.
50 plus.
Yes.
Rekha.
Mother.
Yeah.
That's insane. भाई इसने पक्का चीटिंग करी है.
चीटिंग की है.
मैंने
खेल रहा है.
अनंत अंबानी को सही गेस किया है, ठीक है.
मैंने भाई निखिल को क्या गेस किया है
अबे
भाई?
ये भी इजी गेस है काफी.
On your own channel, you're cheating. bro.
मैन
मैंने
ये
देखा
अपने
यार.
दोस्तों को बुला
भाई
के
ड्यूरेक्स
जीतता
पहनो
है.
तुम लोग ड्यूरेक्स पहनो.
चलो ठीक है नेक्स्ट राउंड.
Oh, hell
Oh,
yeah.
nice. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
V doesn't recognize
I
that
have no
person.
idea
I
who
know it. Don't worry.
Hey.
Yeah.
अरे मेरे को पता होगा ना.
ये को बताओ.
Yeah, 100%.
ये को बताओ.
ये तो
ठीक
पता
है.
होगा.
रोज चालू करता है.
Am I a male?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I in the entertainment industry?
Yes.
Am I in the movies?
In a way.
In a way.
I would say
Yes.
no.
I'm not a director.
No.
What are you saying? I'm not Karan Johar. Oh, shit.
What are the aspects of filmmaking are you missing to it?
I know so many things.
Music composer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Am I Am I South Indian?
No.
I'm a music composer, not South Indian.
क्या सिर्फ साउथ इंडियन म्यूजिक कंपोजर
अरे अनिरुद्ध आया रहमान का eliminate हो
और दो ही है क्या म्यूजिक कंपोजर पूरी दुनिया
अरे
में?
थमन ठीक है बड़ा Am I Pritam?
No.
No.
You could be, but
Arijit Singh.
yes.
Let's
इतने
go.
सवालों के बाद तो भाई मेरी दादी का नाम भी पता चल जाता. Okay, me, yes.
Let's go.
Male,
Yes.
entertainment industry.
Yes. Yes. Yes, of course.
Yes.
Okay.
There are some people who wouldn't find you very entertaining.
Ooh.
But some people who would find you very entertaining as well.
Oh, I'm
It's
quite
subjective.
polarizing.
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah. That's
Above 30,
Yes.
Sure. Yes.
have I featured in movies?
No.
No.
Do I make content?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm like an Instagram content creator.
Sure.
Maybe yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do I make cringe content?
Depends on
Subjective
who
to
you
be
ask.
honest.
Depends on
Subjective.
who
It's
you
very
ask.
subjective.
I would say
God.
yes.
Am I still a podcaster?
You are involved. You are involved in that.
Yes.
process.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm in the process. I'm a podcaster. So I hosted a podcast.
Yes.
Yes.
You have.
Then I got
yes.
canned for it.
You have
not
No,
exactly.
actually, wait. You have got canned for it. You have posted.
But not. You didn't get canned for the podcast. No.
No.
Ah, would you rather?
That's right.
Bro, you're giving too many hints.
Hey.
So Ranveer Alabadiya, bro.
Yes,
Come
you
on, that
will
was
say it,
easy.
bro. You will
Yeah.
say the answer correct.
All right, Rahul.
Okay, cool. Am I a guy?
Yes.
Yeah, from the looks of it, yes.
Yes.
Entertainment.
That's right.
Yes.
Actor.
Yes.
Oh. Old actor. 50 plus.
Yes.
Shah Rukh
ये
Khan.
50
No.
के ऊपर का है?
क्या?
हाँ.
Bollywood.
No.
South Indian.
Yes.
Yes.
Tamil.
Yes.
Rajnikant.
No.
Surya.
No.
Has he done any recent movies?
He
Yes.
has. Yes,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course.
Tamil movie.
Tamil movies.
Recent Tamil movie.
Recent
नहीं,
Tamil movies.
पंजाबी. तमिल मूवी का तमिल एक्टर तमिल मूवी में काम करेगा ना?
Vijay.
That's correct, brother.
Let's
That's
fucking
right.
go. Talapati,
Not
I love you.
Talapati.
Yes.
Okay, let's go, Veer.
Let's go.
Would I know this person?
Yes.
Am I male?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm in the entertainment industry.
You
Yes.
are.
Yes.
Yes.
Am I in films?
You've been in one film.
Really?
Oh yes. That's
Yes!
brother.
It's a very niche film.
Yes.
And
Okay.
We've watched it multiple times.
But am I okay? But I'm actually a musician.
No.
Oh wait,
No, but you have
you have music.
You have music in your
You have music in you.
life.
You have done music acts and stuff like that.
I have music in my life.
I've seen you do music.
Yes, I've
Okay,
seen
okay.
you. I've seen you do music on stage as well.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay, I remember.
Okay. Would I be known first off as a content creator?
First off, no.
yes. Dude, what?
No. First off, as a content
Then
creator.
what would you call it? First
क्या
off?
है?
नहीं वो तो बता नहीं सकते अभी.
नहीं नहीं first off as a content creator.
No,
brother.
first off, not as a
नहीं,
content
नहीं,
creator.
I agree. Not as a content
Not as a
creator.
content creator.
Not as a
What
content
are you
creator.
saying? First off, is not.
As
Fair.
a content creator? No.
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 First off.
No. You want me to make it tough? You are a woman.
अब झूठ नहीं बोला.
ये तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई.
Am I above 30?
Yes.
Yes.
Do I have a podcast?
Do you? Have,
You did.
Yeah, you did have a
Oh,
podcast.
you did.
You did have multiple podcasts.
Honestly, you did.
Am I Raj Shamani?
No.
He has a podcast.
He's gonna get so
Wait,
offended.
no,
when he
it's not.
says that.
Do I do YouTube videos that are not podcasts?
Yes.
Do I do general
Yes.
YouTube
Yes.
videos? Okay.
Here.
Am I part of was I involved in a big controversy?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
huge.
All of them.
Huge.
If there's any controversy that happens, you are the reference point. to it.
No, wait, what? What is the cornerstone of all controversies?
Yes.
Cornerstone.
And you're known all India.
You're like the Salman Bhai of the industry.
Yes.
Of which industry?
Of
Oh, dude! Am I
That's-
Tanmay Bhatt?
That's right.
Which movie was he in?
Mr. X. Mr. X. Mr. X.
रागिनी मैम से
He
भी
was.
बता रहा हूँ.
No, he was.
एक मिनट
Hey, दो
पहले इससे पूछ लो रागिनी हमें क्यों देख रहा है भाई ये सब
तब के लिए देखा था मैंने.
Bakchod.
Oh.
Bro, all India.
I can't believe it. I called him Salman Bhai of the industry and he's like Thunderbird. I love this.
Oh, okay, alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Alrighty.
Alright. I feel like we should leave him for the last.
You only have 10 questions.
Shit, dude.
Dude, 10 questions, too much
Too much
pressure.
pressure. What are 10 questions? This okay, we'll start with Veer.
15 questions.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Ah.
Am I a man? Am I a man?
Count
Yes.
all the
Yes.
questions on your face.
Yes,
Yes.
Am I an actor?
No.
No.
I mean,
you could
Could
if
be,
you.
but-
Okay, I gotta pick my questions carefully now.
yeah.
Am I a musician?
No.
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 Am I a comedian?
No, please, इसी में सारे question खत्म हो जाएंगे.
नहीं, he gets this, he'll.
Am I a content creator?
Okay, very simple.
Your content travels.
Not primarily. come
No,
on.
no, not
Not
primarily.
primarily. That's not your primary job.
5 सवाल हो गए.
Shit, man. I'm still nowhere close to what his occupation is. Am I between 30 and 40?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I a businessman?
Kind
not
of.
primarily,
Not
but
primarily,
yes.
Fucking 7 questions down. I have no idea what this person does.
You're missing like a really big part of India.
Yeah.
Like,
Really big
it's
part
like a
of India.
religion.
Oh, okay, alright. Thank you for that. Am I?
इसके बाद एक 30 साल हो गए.
Am I Virat Kohli?
Bro.
No.
No.
Am I Sachin Tendulkar?
No.
Am I a bowler?
Yes. Yes. I mean,
Also.
no, he's
Also.
primarily a
No,
bowler.
no, he's
Bowler,
primarily a bowler, but
6 पे खेलता है, ठीक है, ऑलराउंडर है, बट बॉलिंग भी करता है.
बहुत छोटी.
Am I Hardik Pandya?
That's right. Let's go.
इतना तुम लोग सजा के उसको दोगे वो कोई भी गेस करेगा ना. आप बोलो नहीं बैट्समैन है
Okay,
प्राइमरली.
now you guess 10 questions back.
अरे तो तुम्हारा तो आने दो.
आपकी चांस है ना ये.
I'm assuming it's a man, so I'm not going to ask that question.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
No, my reaction wasn't. Am I a man?
No.
That's one.
Entertainment.
Yes.
Musician.
No.
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 Or 40 plus.
Yes.
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 Yeah, yes.
Jaya Bachchan.
No.
No.
5 हटा ना.
Any recent movies?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
Hindi.
Yes.
ये 10 के प्रेशर में सब गलत सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. मैं मेरे को भी गलत सवाल ही आ रहे हैं पूरे. हिंदी.
मेरे पास 3 सवाल हो जाए ना. अच्छा fuck.
बॉलीवुड पूछ लिया फिर हिंदी पूछ रहा है.
Oh, मैंने पूछा ऐसे. Oh shit. Oh no.
Oi,
Old
man.
actress.
You can't correct the person, right? If they're on the wrong track. This is a hint for you.
So, इसके बाद एक 30 साल हो जाएगा. Young actress.
जिसको मदद नहीं चाहिए उसका ऊपर वाला भी कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
आप गधे को से पानी तक ले जा सकते हो.
गधे को नहीं घोड़े को लेके जाते हैं यार. गधे को कोई नहीं लेके जाता. गधा वही रहता है क्योंकि वो गधा है. घोड़े को तो नदी के पास लेके जाते हो.
Katrina Kaif.
No.
क्लोज यार.
कितने हो गए?
No.
एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ. When you assume, you make an ass of you and me. You assume.
Wow, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Okay, yeah,
But
can I give you?
Yes,
because you
yes.
gave me a hint.
Yes.
Hey, you're giving me a hint.
Yes.
मुझे
I
आप
already gave the hint.
Ass of you and me.
The actress bit is wrong.
अरे इसकी ये तो तूने पूरा बता दिया यार.
He also helped me.
She's a director.
No.
This is the last question.
Not director.
यार मेरे को एक था टाइगर बहुत अच्छी लगी थी.
हाँ.
क्या फिल्म बनी.
ये दोनों डिसाइड कर रहे हो.
मुझे भी.
एक था टाइगर से बेटर कोई फिल्म हुई नहीं.
टाइगर जिंदा भी अच्छी थी.
नहीं एक था टाइगर.
एक था टाइगर तो अच्छी थी.
Zoya Akhtar.
My God.
That's wrong.
एक था टाइगर एक था कपूर.
देखो लगा तुम लोग टाइगर बेबी को रेफरेंस कर रहे हो. So there I mean that is.
Think
Male?
clearly.
Yes.
Yes.
Above 30.
Yes.
Yes.
Entertainment industry.
Yes.
Yes.
Actor.
Yes.
Okay, it's a character which means an iconic character, which means the actor has played this iconic role, which you guys are very excited about.
Very excited.
Which means- Has he acted in Welcome?
Kichu. Yeah.
Yeah?
अरे ये कुछ तो हो रहा है चीटिंग टाइप
Cheating क्या हो रही
Yeah,
है?
कुछ तो हुआ है
He's
यहाँ
acted
पे.
in Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the confusion is, but I have 5 more questions. Is it Uday bhai?
That's right.
Uday Bhai is not the answer.
The answer is
ठीक है यार.
Nana Patekar. मैं भाई ये गेम के लिए बना था मैं, ठीक है?
तो चीटिंग हुई है.
चीट क्या चीटिंग होगी?
हम समझ नहीं पाए.
Okay, you first
All क्या?
five then I'll give you a hint.
questions.
Okay. Am I a Bollywood male celebrity?
Yes.
Yes.
ये loaded सवाल था.
That's a great
good,
one.
yeah.
Pack everything in one question.
Am I alive?
Yes.
Yes.
Have I done any recent Bollywood Hindi language films?
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Have I been in any 1,000 crore films?
Yes.
I don't.
Oh wait, no,
think
no,
so.
no, no,
I
no.
don't
Sorry,
think
sorry.
so.
No, no. 1,000 crore तो बहुत कम है भाई.
कम है.
Am I above 40?
Yes.
Yes.
Do I have an actress wife?
I
No.
don't know.
No,
I
no,
don't
no.
even know
No,
that.
no,
I
no,
don't know.
no, no, no.
Oh, shit.
No, you don't.
6 questions.
Do I have my own niche in Bollywood? Like,
Yes.
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 Am I Imran
Huge.
Hashmi?
No.
No.
Oh, shit. Okay, do I have schizophrenia?
No.
What?
No.
No.
You don't. You don't. You don't. We know who does. But you don't.
No, you don't. एक hint दे दे last question के
हाँ,
बाद.
मुझे एक
अरे,
दो
ये
यार.
सबने-
सबको
इस-
hint
हाँ,
मिला.
एक एक मिनट देता हूँ. इसके सारे कैरेक्टर्स है ना,
हाँ.
सब तेरे ऊपर बेस्ड है.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
You'll hate yourself for not getting this.
नहीं.
Okay.
He's
Yeah,
played a
I'll-
small
I'll-
part in a lot of movies.
No.
He's played a small part in a lot of
That's too
movies.
many hints now. I'll tell you.
Okay,
Yeah, that's fine. I think
Give
it's
one more
good.
hint then.
Yeah. He's funny.
Okay. In the films I do, am I the leading actor in them?
No.
No.
Am I Manoj Pava?
Oh.
Close.
No.
So close.
Close. But I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
पट्ट से निकल जाए. ऐसा नाम हो दुकान का.
अरे राजपाल यादव.
Let's go. Okay. Nice. Cool.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, go for it.
All right. Am I a leading Bollywood female actor?
No.
No.
Am I a
Suddenly side बदल गया.
am I a male Bollywood actor?
Yes.
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 Have I done any films in the recent past?
No. Has he? I don't think so.
Yes.
But you're not known for that movie.
Yeah.
But I didn't even realize he was in that
आप एक्स्ट्रा क्यों बोलते हैं? आप
अरे
वो
ऐसे
इंसान
ही
है like
बकचोदी करनी है यार,
2
ये
मार्क
show
के
पे।
2 मार्क के आंसर के लिए 4 मार्क का आंसर
आपने
लिख देते हैं.
रेफरेंस ही दिखाई रेफरेंस में बकचोदी तो करते रहते हैं.
Was I really big in the 90s?
Yes.
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 Okay. Am I Chunky Pandey?
No.
No.
If I was really big in the 90s, am I into politics?
I don't know.
You
No.
vaguely tried once. Vaguely, but no.
No.
Am I Sanjay Dutt?
No.
No.
Is acting my major profession?
Yes.
Yes.
Fuck. Okay.
नाराज हो
That
गया.
was my smart question. Okay.
दूसरा सवाल था एक्टर, पहला सवाल था एक्टर और 9th सवाल इज एक्टिंग माय मेजर प्रोफेशन.
Major profession.
मेजर मेजर राम.
बहुत मेजर है भाई और कुछ तो करता ही नहीं है.
Am I Kader Khan?
No.
क्लोज बट नो. आया हूं तो कुछ तो लेकर जाऊंगा.
Great hint.
आया हूँ. अरे शक्ति कपूर.
Let's go.
You're the
चलो
best.
cool. Next Bilal.
Okay.
हाँ. मेल.
No.
No.
Oh. एक्टर.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
What are you talking about? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Used to be an actor, became something else.
No.
Yes.
No. Still an
No.
actor.
Still.
Still an actor.
What was
right?
the last film?
अबे बता दूंगा तो पता नहीं चलेगा.
कौन सी
Okay.
film ऐसे
There
कहीं
was, there was.
Above 30,
Yes.
Yes.
above 40.
Yes.
I don't know.
think so.
I don't ask women their age.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't ask women their age. Above 40, below late 30s, early
बुढ़ी है
40s.
थोड़ी सी.
Above 40 तो है यार. मतलब
पता नहीं यार.
Um,
इस पिक्चर में तो above 40 लग नहीं रही है. Quite nice.
is she married?
Married to the game. No,
Dude,
She is married to the
She is married to the game.
dude, I think so. She's married. I'm not sure.
Hey, she's not married, bro.
She's not married.
She's not married.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%.
Please check on
No,
that.
but
Oh.
she's had some interesting happenings in her.
Yeah.
That's a good hint. That's a good hint. Am I Kangana Ranaut?
Man, there's some. Where the fuck are you looking at this shit, dude? राहुल अपने चश्मे उतार यार.
अच्छा ओ I'm so good at this game.
ये कैसे भाई?
कुछ तो cheating हो रही है.
हाँ.
Okay, cool. Male,
Yes.
entertainment,
Yes.
actor,
No.
No.
director,
No.
producer,
No.
composer.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. ये तो easy है यार. Hindi music.
Yes.
Yes.
Pritam,
No.
No. 8.
A.R. Rahman.
No.
Good guess.
Should we give him a
Good
hint?
guess.
एक तो hint दे सकते हो यार. कोई गाना गा दो.
Okay, I'll
No.
check. 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 Check.
Chaka.
You should have gotten that, bro.
नाम मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. Check. 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 Yeah.
Annu Malik.
Let's
go.
इतना ज़्यादा hint दे रहे हैं यार. ठीक है मेरे साथ.
Are you sure I know this person?
Yes,
100%.
100%. You would definitely know this person.
Am I a male Bollywood actor?
Yes.
Oh yes.
Am I a musician?
Yes.
Do I sing in Hindi?
Oh yes. Yes, of course.
Was I popular in the 90s?
No.
No.
90s.
Am I married to someone famous?
No.
Am I Shan?
No. But close.
Am I
In a way.
okay? Am I above 30?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I Shankar Mahadevan?
No.
Last question. अभी दे दे hint दे दे अभी.
Wait.
आपके नाम में मिठास है.
नाम में मिठास.
नाम मिठास. मैं कौन हूँ? मैं हलवाई. बाबू हलवाई.
One more question.
वॉल्यूम 1 आगे बढ़ा दो जरा.
Wait, what?
नहीं.
What?
तो हो गया भाई. हाँ भाई.
नहीं गा सकते.
Am I Yo-Yo Honey Singh?
Yeah, right.
Nice.
Yes.
Bro,
Nice.
शान कहता लोड़ा वोड़ा मत बोला करो. अरे लोड़ा वोड़ा ही बोलता है.
Fucking great. Awesome. Thank you so much guys for doing this. This was a wonderful
Too good.
episode. Let us know in the comments if we should do one more and
If it's
तुम लोग मेरे intro outro दोनों की बात चल रही है.
Actually, that's true. Please like, share, and subscribe.
And watch another video from
That's
Be
right.
Bold Rahul, the best channel for your sexual
Sexual
needs.
awakening.
No, ये actually अभी बकचोदी चालू हो चुकी है.